good?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so we're getting ready to tear this bitch open. We're going to take a little spludger here. Start from the full grill side with the mysterious third USB port. Or, I'm sorry, yeah, USB 3.0 port. Going to the very back, and look how easy this is.
Butter.
It's kind of reminiscent of the Slim Xbox, but way easier, since you don't have to get into each individual clip to get it off. And then, I think you're right, I think that's the sync button, or eject.
No, eject's right there. That's definitely the sync button.
Yeah, eject's here, sync, so I guess we're just using the camera to power this fucker on. Alright, so we'll put this to the side, and then we flip it to the back, where that warranty sticker just, where did that go? It's gone, dude.
Black
A
magic.
little pressure on that. Wait, then are we taking a screw out here somewhere? Oh yeah, look at that. Hold on, actually cut that for a second. So put some pressure on here, and oh, here the clip unlocking. So we got one here, one up here. Let's see if it goes all the way down like that. Nope, just clip them back together. Speak, friend, and enter. Come on, be like an old Xbox and just spread your legs. Why is this not struggling here? Hey, you look like it. Let's see if alright, this all gets sped up or edited. One of the two. Maybe the clamps come out. See, I don't want to bend this fucking grill either. I want this thing to work after I'm done with it. Where'd that side go? We have to work this side first. Anytime I let go, they just fucking snap right back in. I don't want to fucking break this thing.
Wasn't it just two clips?
It was on this side, but then in here there were several.
Looks like it's about to give right here. There we go. Bam.
Alright, now that we're starting to give, just pop it up. Let's make sure we don't break anything. Alright, now that we have the top off, notice some strange things. We have the Wi-Fi here. It has a pigtail. But there's these little clips here that actually almost look like bare wire, and they're clipped in to these little holes in the side. I guess you gotta like wiggle these out or something, but we'll do that in a second. First, we're gonna take off the screws. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So let's get these bad boys out. Little guys are right next to your Wi-Fi. Those are 2 off the board, 3 off the board. Alright. It seems like everything's like kind of hooked in. Let's see how it's hooked in there. Looks like it comes towards us. That's weird, dude. Why the hell will this shit hook down so locked down so tight? Alright, whatever. Alright, we're going to pull the other pigtail so we don't ruin the connection here, because I'm not even going to mess with taking this stuff out or taking this mysterious speaker off. Probably have to fix a ton of those things. Remember, when you're taking, grip firm and wiggle so you don't rip any wires. Like there's still something holding it. Let's see what we got here. Aha! We got like a hidden Torx in here on the side. Let's see if we can lift from the top or from the bottom. Yep, everything's out except for that one screw on the side. So actually, there's one underneath the Wi-Fi board as well, so I guess we're going to have to figure out how to get that bastard off. We're not getting this thing open. So, oh, look at that. It was a foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 12 pins. Popped right off, pull straight up, you got your Wi-Fi board off. Put that to the side, get to our extra Torx, and then top should come right off.